So it says to fill up once you get the warning light, which I have got the warning light. So over here at Shell, I'm gonna fill up. Only the best, you know. See that much? That's just probably under half a tank, but alright. Let's see. I told you, 39 pounds is just under half. Damn. So you gotta put like 80 pounds for to put a full tank in a 3 liter. That is crazy. And we're back. Cool. And that was that. I didn't really do much highway pulls or motorway pulls. Well, actually I did, but I didn't record them. So, yeah. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys on the next one.
Fine, and I've not seen the car. This is my area.
Okay.
This is my area. I pull cars around here. I've never seen a car with a light flashing like that at bottom.
Right.
Flashing when the if it's going to a stop, but yours is coming on at any occasion.
No, it's just when I press the brake. It comes on when I press the brake.
Is it?
Yeah.
Right.
And then when I come to complete stop, it's just how it's coded. It flashes and then it comes solid.
I'll leave it then. I thought it was coming on. Just coming on.
Right.
And to be honest, I'll tell you the truth, I don't know.
Yeah.
If you haven't been stopped before for it, then it's not down to me.
Yeah.
It's not down to me.
Okay. No worries. No. Thank you.